Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just going over my little market haul as per usual. Nothing too out of the ordinary. I did get though a full, maybe not full, but they're all matching brands of sockets, which is quite interesting. And we're going to go over them. We're all pretty much Imperial, I believe. But we'll go over them. They need some cleanup, some paint on them. But we'll just start off with the basics. So, as usual, I got a super slim. It's my go-to. I do really like the super slims. Maybe not my favorite. I don't really have favorites, but I do really like the super slim. 3/4, 5/8. Not sure if I already have this size or not, I'll be completely honest. But, hey, trying my best. Yeah, they're good spanners. They're hard going. That they live up to the test of time and they do a lot of hard work. So, picked one up. I seen it lying there. I like that brand. Still don't know much about the brand, but I do love the brand. Picked up this this wheel nut star. Guy was pretty much giving it away. It was that cheap, and I like them, to be honest. But I was thinking about just putting this on the wall with a bit of a homemade skull out of a sprocket. I'm sure you guys have probably seen stuff like that before. I thought it was cool. I'd like to make one. I'm a big Mad Max fan, as you can probably see. So that's my plans for that. But I might end up actually just using it, to be honest. But main reason for the video, put these over here then was this amount of sockets that I got, because they are all I don't know how well you'll pick that up, but they're all Yamoto, which is a good brand. I do like them. So I'll just go through some of the sizes. So we've got 22, 24, 3/4 or 3/4, another 3/4, another 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 16mm, another 5/8, very popular, 15mm, another 5/8, another 5/8, 5/16, 3/16, 7/16, 3/16, 11mm, another 11mm, 3/8, or just 10mm, 12mm, and 10mm. So 3/8, 10mm. These ones are both the same essentially. And then we have this one, which is a M10 spark plug socket. Very cool. Now that I've went over all the sizes, I'll show you guys a little bit proper, because they are cool. I do like them. Do need some cleanup, some paint and stuff on them. But you can see Yamoto, which I don't know much about this brand. Believe it or not, I don't know much about anything. But if you guys know, then let me know, because as always, I am actually very interested. Legitimately, I am really interested in these. I'm always interested in tools. But I know Yamoto, I've heard of them. Don't think I've ever used the tools myself, but they are quite cool. And these are a variety of half-inch drive, I guess they're all half-inch. I thought there was a 3/8 one. There probably isn't. Nope, they're all half-inch. That's even better. I was convinced one of them was a 3/8. Do you know what? I have probably looked at the 3/8 in terms of socket size, aka 10mm, and I've probably assumed 3/8 on the drive. But they're all half-inch, so that's ideal. Even better. There's a bunch of duplicates, unfortunately. Didn't realise that when I bought them. I mean, these are all 5/8. These are 3/4. These are both 3/16s. Okay, these ones are all individual, and these ones are all individual. So we've got 10, 11, 12, another 11, 15, 16, 22, 24, and then we have the M10. So that's actually a nice little haul, I guess. I'm quite pleased with that. I really didn't pay that much for them either. I can't remember how much. I'm pretty sure I paid £10 for the sockets. The star was like 10p, and the spanner itself was 50p. So I'm really pleased. Another super slim to add to the ever-growing toolbox of super slims, I guess. And yeah, we've got a pretty good amount of Yamoto sockets. Would be nice if I could get a 17 and a 19. Maybe I'll get that one day. And an 8mm. Maybe some bigger Imperial ones. But for what I got, I'm pretty happy with that. If you guys know anything about the brand Yamoto, I mean, I'm obviously going to Google it. I'm not 100 years old. I will Google it. But I prefer talking to people about stuff. Your experiences with it, your knowledge of it, if you have any memories of using it. I'm more interested in that shit than Wikipedia, you know. But yeah, just a little haul. Pretty good shit though. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing something specific, let me know. If there's any knowledge about these, again, please do let me know. I am genuinely interested. But yeah, that's it for the whole video today. Just a little one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was kind of brief, going over everything quickly, but I don't want to waste too much of your time. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, take care.